Hi, my beautiful people. Good day. How are we all doing? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching. For my returning subscribers, thank you very much. I really appreciate. But if you have not yet subscribed and you're a new person to my channel, please do where to subscribe. Like and drop a comment. Tell us how we are doing. Thank you very much. In today's video, we are going to make it lively. I have a very short story to tell you that has lessons. In a small village in Nigeria, there was this young man. His name is Chijioke. He was really known for two things: his love for food and his ability to tell the most outrageous lies. He can lie for a living. He lived with his mother, who always complained about his laziness and love for eating without lifting a finger to do anything or help the mom in the house. And there is one sunny afternoon, Chijioke's mom called him and asked him to please help her take care of the goats. And there is one particular goat that she wanted him to keep an eye on. It was the very best goat. She loved the goat so much, and she planned on sending the goat on the next market day. She warned him to take good care of the goat and keep an eye on the goat. Chijioke, whose mind is already made up on the pot of soup his mother was preparing, nodded his head lazily. Yes, Mama, I will make sure the goats are safe. But as soon as his mother turned her back, Chijioke saw that goat wander off towards the neighboring farm. Ah, I'll just let it be for a few minutes, he thought to himself. Let me quickly sneak into the kitchen and enjoy some soup. So while his mother was busy grinding pepper, Chijioke helped himself with the bowl of soup, the mud with some pounded yam. He was so distracted that he didn't even notice the goat was now far beyond the fence. By the time his mother came out and noticed the goat was missing, she was very furious. Chijioke, where is my goat? What did I tell you about taking care of the goat? She screamed. Chijioke, not wanting to admit he was caught up in his food, quickly came up with a story. Mama, you won't believe what happened. A group of wicked magic wedding kidnappers appeared and stole the goat. They vanished into thin air. He lied, his eyes wide with fake shock. But his mom was skeptical about it. Magic kidnappers in broad daylight. Chijioke, are you sure it wasn't your stomach that kidnapped the goat? Chijioke was already getting creative with the next part of lie to tell his mom. No, Mama, it was magic. The kidnappers were dressed in all black and they disappeared in a cloud of smoke. Even if I ran after them, I couldn't have caught them. His mother raised an eyebrow, not convinced. So these kidnappers took the goat and disappeared. But they didn't take anything else. No money, no chicken, nothing. They didn't even take you. Exactly, Chijioke said, nodding his head vigorously. Just then, the neighbor's young boy, Emeka, walked over, holding the missing goat. Ah, Mama, I found your goat in my farm near the yam patch. I was wondering how he ended up there. Chijioke's mom turned to him with a grin. So tell me, Chijioke, how did the magic kidnappers leave the goat on Emeka's farm? Chijioke's face turned red. Mama, I was only trying to protect the goat, and his mother cut him off with a laugh. Chijioke, you must learn to tell the truth always. It is the best way. No matter how embarrassing it may seem, no one is going to steal your goat if you're doing the right thing. Chijioke sighed. Mama, I promise next time I will guide the goats properly. No magic, no kidnappers, no excuses anymore. Thank you, Mama. Please forgive me. It will never happen again. And I promise never to lie next time. The mom also told him, and next time if you needed something, you can always come to me. I know you love food so much, and I will always give it to you. You are my child, and I made the food for both of us. You don't have to sneak to take some for yourself. And that was how the mom settled the case. And Chijioke was happy that the goat was found and promise never to lie again. So we should always learn how to tell the truth at all times, no matter how tempting it is to lie. And of course, never let your love for food distract you from important tasks. The truth will always set you free, and we should always be cautious about our love for food because sometimes it can even put us into serious problem. Thank you for listening. I hope you enjoyed the story. Thank you for staying with me. Hope you love the hair. Bye. We'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. It will help us to grow. Please always comment and tell us how far we are doing, if the hair is okay, if there is any adjustment, if there is any mistake. It will help us to make the proper adjustment next time. Thank you for watching. Bye. I love you. Take care.
Thank you for watching. Hope you like my hair. See you in the next video. Bye. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.